Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you prediction for 14 October IELTS exam. So let's start with the listening module. In listening, part 1, you can see Phillips type of question with one word or a number. And in part 2, you can see short MCQs and map completion with option. And in part 3, you can see large MCQs and match the information with options. And in part 4 you can see Phillips with one word, but this part will be faster and trickiest one. So guys, do practice as much as you can do. Make sure every day you practice one listening test and one reading test before your exam. And guys, if we talk about reading module, so in reading, the passage 1 you can see true false and not given type of question, and then fill up with one word only. And in passage 2 you can see match the information, and here you have to select from paragraph and then fill up to two words and then selection of letters. And in passage 3 you can see MCQs and then match the information with from options, and then yes, no, and not given type of question. And guys, many trainer suggest you to do watch movie on Netflix to improve your listening and speaking, but I would prefer to do practice of one listening test or two listening tests before your exam every day and one reading test. It will improve your vocabulary and your listening power. And if we talk about writing task 1 can be a bar, table, pie chart, or a process diagram. And guys, this video is completely based on prediction and guesswork, so do not completely depend on it. Do your practice as much as you can do, because and if we talk about the writing task 2, in writing task 2 you can see opinion type of question and then discussion with opinion, and then outweigh type of question like does advantages of this outweigh the disadvantages, or disadvantages of this outweigh the advantages, such type of question. Or maybe the positive of this outweigh the negatives and negative of this outweigh the positive. सो गाइस, जो राइटिंग टास्क 2 के लिए टॉपिक है, एक्सपेक्टेड टॉपिक हैं, वो हैं वर्ल्ड इश्यूज एंड जॉब एंड बिजनेस, मीडिया, एनवायरनमेंट, एजुकेशन, टेक्नोलॉजी, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, पीपल, सोसाइटी, science and inventions, healthcare, globalization, and general biasness. So guys, you can collect the vocabulary related to these topics. You can prepare the thesis statement for these topics, and always you can prepare the hook lines for this topic. By this you can prepare for your writing task 2 and can score good band. So guys, if you find this video useful, then please like, subscribe and share my channel for latest update. Thank you guys.